Are you ready for Sony's biggest camera and lens announcements of 2025? With groundbreaking features and innovation-packed releases, the Sony a7V and new G lenses are set to redefine the photography game. Stick around to find out what makes these new launches worth the hype. Welcome back to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest in tech and photography gear. Today, we're diving into Sony's exciting plans for early 2025. According to reliable sources like Weibo, Sony is gearing up to launch the highly anticipated Sony a7V camera and 3 new lenses that cater to photographers of all kinds. Let's break it all down. First up, the Sony a7V. Expected to launch in March or April, this next-gen camera is rumored to bring powerful upgrades for hybrid shooters. While specific specs haven't been revealed yet, industry chatter suggests improvements in resolution, dynamic range, and autofocus, perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Before the a7V drops, Sony is set to launch 2 highly anticipated lenses in February. Sony 16mm f/1.8G, compact and lightweight, this lens is ideal for landscapes, street photography, and astrophotography. With a price tag of around $1,000, it's perfect for wide-angle enthusiasts who value sharpness and portability. Sony 400-800mm f/6.3-8.0G, a dream for wildlife photographers. This lens promises excellent reach, portability, and handheld shooting capabilities, making it a must-have for capturing animals in their natural habitat. Rumors also hint at the Sony 50-105mm f/2.8G lens being announced alongside the a7V. This versatile zoom lens is perfect for portraits, events, and travel photography, combining excellent optical performance with a bright aperture. With the Sony a7V and these innovative lenses, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for photographers. Whether you're into landscapes, wildlife, or versatile zooms, Sony is bringing something for everyone. What are you most excited about, the camera, the lenses, or both? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TechVerse, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest tech and photography gear. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.